Hello, my flourishing friends! I hope y'all doing well and are up for some crafting today. Actually, what we're gonna do today is not particularly crafting. It's more painting. Yeah, but I think that's all. Yeah, that's all depending on how you define crafting. Today I would like to do 2 motivational cards. Noticed it's winter time now where I'm at. Days are getting shorter. There's more darkness. So today we're gonna light it up and create actually something that we can give to friends and family, or just keep it to ourselves, pin it to the mirror and motivate ourselves to to put some light in the dark. So let's light it up. I'm really excited for today. What I have here is 2 cardboards, black cardboard. Already pre-cut them, so they're about the same size, I hope so. I'm gonna put one aside because that's for later. So the first one that I would like to do is a quote that says, "Let your light shine," and it's gonna be like a street light. The quote is gonna be inside of the light shine. Does that make sense? I'm gonna start right away. I have my colors here. I got brand new colors and they're so cool. The yellow actually is bumblebee yellow. That is so cool. They all have so funny names. I think my favorite one was crocodile green and lemonade pink. In the end, I just have here black, white and yellow. Some brushes, a bit of water to clean everything up, and I have a pencil because we're gonna draw it out in pencil first. Okay, I'm gonna draw it real quick and come back to you in 1 second. So there we are. I hope you're able to see it. It's actually not that good visible. What we're gonna do now is I'm gonna paint in, do you say like that, color in, English, the light stream. Then we're gonna let it dry. Write the quote on top of it. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it with paint or with a simple Sharpie. I'm gonna see depending on how long it takes to dry actually. Okay, let's go. Ooh, the first stroke is always exciting. I actually like that it's not covering yellow. Because I mean a street light at night is not like a spotlight, you know. There we are. I colored it 3 times or something. We're gonna let that dry a bit now. Maybe I'm gonna do one more layer. If you notice, the paper is a bit bending now, but that's okay. Once it's dry, you can if it stays like that, you can flatten it out in a big book. That's gonna press it down, so don't worry, or just use thicker paper. I think I chose it a bit too thin, but we're gonna see. To the gray part. Okay, I decided to do white first and then do some accents in black. I think that's gonna look better. Just some note on the side. This is not Mountain Dew. It's my water to clear the brush, but it looks exactly like it. What I forgot to say earlier, with the yellow, I painted it in a down movement, so it really looks like the light shines down. If you do weird wiggly lines, it fast looks just weird. So just don't do it. Thanks Bob Ross. Lately I painted a lot, so that's my thing right now. Not on camera though, but I plan on doing some Christmas paintings actually. So stay tuned for that. Set this one aside so it can dry a bit, and we do the second one. So we have the black fresh canvas. I'm gonna draw what I have in mind for the second quote, and then I'm gonna come back to you. So there I am. I hope you can see it like with the first one. It's really dark. I just write the quote so I could imagine for myself better where what goes. So with this one, we gonna paint the light bulb in yellow and this in gray. I think I'm gonna go with the same flow I did with the other card. Do white first and then a bit of black, because the black from the background shines through a bit, so we're gonna use that so I don't have to mix the color actually. Into the bumblebee yellow. Also here I do the same that I did with the street light. I just do a downward movement And it is really okay when the black from the background shines through a bit, because after all it's a light bulb, it's see-through, so of course there's light, but not everywhere. Does that make sense? Ah, you're gonna get my drift. Whoopsie. So staying inside of the line, not mucking today, definitely. I always enjoy when you have a bit of a non-perfect look with paintings, because that makes them immediately very artistic. If you want a perfect thing, just print it out and then that's it. But for me, art can have a splash or something here and there. That's also why I draw actually on my tablecloth. It's an old one, so yeah. And it can go in the washer and it's all good, so don't worry. Still worshipping this creative mess here. Right to white. There we go. So I'm going to put this aside to dry, so we can work on this one again. It's almost dry now. Still a bit wet, but that's okay. I decided to do the spelling with the brush actually. I'm gonna do it in white so you can see it nicer or read it better, however you want to say it. Just take a bit of paint, not too much. And remember, we want to write, let your light shine. Let's go. So what I just did is I spelled let your shine. I just recognized something in here. Because light, I'm gonna spell in block letters. Do you say it like that? In big letters. Here we are. Let your light shine. Again, looks cool. I struggle a bit with the let, but after all it's fine because I'm no professional artist. It's self-made, so you can show that it's self-made. I'm gonna put this aside so it can dry. It takes a bit until it's dry. To the light bulb. I think I'm gonna do the spelling here in yellow to make it more stand out that the inner part of the light bulb is actually eliminated. I'm gonna start with the word life because that's actually my little lightning. How's the term for it even? Yeah, the wire that makes the whole thing shine. I'm gonna Google after the video how it's called. To the bumblebee yellow. My favorite thing today here. Life, there we go. Yeah, to let it stand out a bit more, I'm gonna do the rest of the letters in white. Just freestyle it. That's actually why I drew it before, so I knew around, or so I could estimate where what goes, how big I can go with the letters. Always good to have a little orientation. I have to say it's not bad so far. Okay, to the next two words and the last ones. You light up my life. There it is. You light up my life. There we are. So you guys, that was already it for today. I really liked it. I enjoyed painting a bit again, and I enjoyed painting for you guys, and I hope to do more videos like that. Like I said, I planned on doing a little Christmas paint out. And yeah, let me know what you think. I see you next time. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. Lots of love, happy smiles and hugs. Your Lisa.